Samsung might finally be breaking its long-standing habit of playing it safe with the Ultra lineup. For 5 straight years, they've been rolling out the same 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts charging like it's a winning lottery number. But now, whispers are getting louder that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could shake things up. Maybe even give us a 5,500 mAh battery and 65 watts charging. That's a decent jump, both in capacity and charging speed. And surprisingly, this upgrade might come in a slimmer package too, thinner than the S25 Ultra, if leaks are to be believed. But of course, not everyone's on the same page. While some leakers are confident about the upgrade, others say Samsung's just sticking to the old formula again. Which is it? Honestly, it's still up in the air. Could be a full-on upgrade or just a small bump Samsung markets like it's the second coming. Wouldn't be the first time. Now let's talk about the performance side of things, because that's where it gets a little more solid. The S26 series is expected to launch with Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. And like the last few years, Samsung's probably getting an exclusive tune for Galaxy version. This time, the top core could be clocked at 4.74 GHz, a bit faster than last year's. Maybe not a game changer, but hey, every bit counts. Even more interesting is who's actually making the chip. Samsung's not doing it themselves. They're handing it off to TSMC and its advanced 3nm process. That's good news for fans who still have PTSD from the overheating issues on older Samsung-made chips. Meanwhile, Samsung is still busy developing its own Exynos 2600, but don't expect it in the Ultra. Maybe it'll show up in the base models across a few markets, but that's about it. And yeah, the design. There's a chance the S26 Ultra will slim down to under 8mm. It's a subtle change, but paired with everything else, it could make the device feel a lot more premium. The real question, though, can they pull this off without cutting corners on battery or thermal management? So what's the vibe? Are you more excited about a slimmer device, or would you rather pack in more power, no matter the thickness? Drop your thoughts and hang tight, because if these leaks are anything to go by, the S26 Ultra might actually surprise us this time.